I'm a giant.
Hi guys! Hey guys, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. So today we're going to be going over the Master Rebuild Kit that I'm going to be using on this Project 92 YJ, where I'm doing a complete rebuild and restoration of the engine. Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it.
Stop! I actually had this for a... So Enginetech was nice enough to sponsor this video. They sent me this kit free of charge, but they actually have no say in this video or my opinion of it, so everything I say, I get to create whatever I want. They don't get input into what I'm doing here. So these are my honest opinions. Yes, they did give this to me for free, which was really cool. Thank you, Enginetech, I appreciate it. But I'm completely in charge of making the video and giving my honest opinions. So let's cover what we get in a Master Rebuild Kit, and I will be sure to link this in the description below of this exact kit that I'm using on this inline 6 4-liter
engine, period.
Sometimes that happens, you're just streaming along and just yeah. So we're gonna go over everything that this kit includes. First off, a complete gasket set. Rear main oil seal, our valve seals, oil pan. So we've got our valve cover, head gasket, exhaust manifold, all the gaskets we need for the timing chain cover. Really just a complete set. Let's look over what all it includes here. What else we got in here? Here we have our, here's our set of piston rings. And one thing I have to say about Enginetech's customer service, honestly, I was really impressed. I had to call them because I had a question on the piston rings, because when you're honing your cylinders on your engine, depending on the material the rings are made out of, it'll kind of help determine the grit of the hone you need to use. So I called up Enginetech to ask them what grit do I need to hone the cylinders to, and the operator that answered, he didn't know, but he took the time to put me on hold, which wasn't very long, and he went and asked one of the technicians himself to find me the answer. And I didn't tell him like who I was or that I was doing a review or anything, but I was just super impressed that he took the time instead of saying like, you know, I don't know, it might say on our website, or you know, some bogus answer. He took the time to stop and like go find out for me, and then got right back on the phone and let me know what I needed to do. So I really appreciated that. Good customer service. So here we get a complete set of pistons. All right, and what else do we got here? Aluminum silicone. Ah, all of our bearings. Here we have, I believe this is our timing chain. Yep, timing chain and sprockets. I believe this is the oil, brand new oil pump with the gasket. Here's our bearings for the rods. These are the camshaft bearings. And then 3 boxes here. These are all lifters, I believe. So a complete set of lifters. And last but not least, it's fragile. We get a brand new camshaft. Just go ahead and throw it down there. So there we go. So everything.
Hold on.
So there we go. That is the Master Rebuild Kit from Enginetech. Like I said, I'll link it in the description below of the exact kit that I'm using here. And be sure to leave any comments. Let me know what you think. If you've used Enginetech products before and what you thought.
Stuff like that. Yeah, just cut that out.
I don't care. Okay, just say what I want. So be sure to subscribe to follow along as I put all this back in the engine if I can figure out how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
So that's pretty much just I can't video.
Oh, did you? You didn't say anything, huh?
I really didn't say anything.
I try to keep it that way. You're welcome. Cool. You know. And we're rolling.
We're excited. We're happy.
Yeah.
Man, look at all this Enginetech stuff. That's awesome. They just sent it to you.
Yeah, that's super cool. Thank you, Enginetech. Really appreciate it. This is everything I'm going to need to rebuild my engine here. And as I said, I'll link it in the description below of the exact kit I'm using if you happen to be rebuilding a inline 6 4-liter Jeep Wrangler as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
I had some ideas, but yeah, we're good.
Well, let's do one more.
And cut. And action. Today we're going over what Enginetech sent Dale at JeepSolid to help rebuild his engine. It's really not as hard as you think. If you're wondering about rebuilding your engine, this is a perfect engine to do that with.
Perfect.
Yeah, you can use that.
So thank you, Enginetech, and as Jason said, or did you say?
I don't know.
And so thank you, Enginetech, and I will be sure to leave. Oh,
I'll be sure to lemur.
actually, I can cut that from another side.
Yeah.
So I'll be sure to link this exact kit in the So I'll be sure to link this exact kit I'm using in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Oh, man.